Okay, so another technology I want to share with everyone is what we use at our school. We use Canvas as our learning management system. Uh, I think that most schools probably have this kind of system in their toolbox, so to say, after the COVID year. So this is really handy because we get to put all the assignments in each module. I'm going to show you what we do with modules. Uh, Mine is not super great because I'm still a little bit old school. Don't have just tons of modules in. We do quite a bit of work with paper still in my classes. But as you can see, we can create modules for each semester or each assignment. We go in and also can make videos uh, and all kinds of information like that for our students. Here's one that I had them do. I had them do a Veterans Day project in journalism. Uh, just seems like that a lot of kids today don't recognize our veterans or don't know what the day's about. So I had them do a two-part assignment. One was that they had to write a thank you note to either a veteran and their family or just an in general thank you to any veteran who has served. The second assignment for this was they had to do a who, what, when, where, why, and how about journalism. Wanted quite a bit of information on slides on Google Slides. Students were fairly responsive to this, although a lot of them seemed to not do it, which was frustrating. We can also see our grades are right here for the class. Please ignore the names over there of my students. I'll move it over so you guys, well, I can't really do that, but just ignore the names there. There's the grades put in. What's nice about this also with Canvas is that if students have problems, for example, one of my students in my class has a child at home who's been super sick, so I have been nice enough to excuse. I've been kind to her to excuse assignments. So anyway, just a brief run through of one of the technologies that we use, which is Canvas, our learning management system.